morning, guys. What is up? Weird place to start the video. I know we're already in the car. We're running a little bit behind, and also we're trying out this new GoPro once again. So just let you guys know, I'll put it up on the screen. This is what we'll be doing today. We will be heading to Amateur Works. It's a nice little spot downtown. I'm gonna call it like a warehouse full of different foods and little delicacies. There's gonna be like a supercars on the river, or exotic cars on the river, and I got invited to it, so that's super cool. I don't have an exotic, but I get to play with them. So that's pretty cool. Like, again, turn left to merge onto I-75. Sorry for the noise, just that loud American muscle. Fuck yeah! But guys, till then, I'll shut my mouth. Let's go look at some cool cars. See you guys later. Dreams that you can don't do, Alright guys, we have made it. So let's go ahead and see a couple cars out here. Alright. Gotta have the NSX out. Porsche. Jaguar F-Type. I got a peek on the inside of this one. Nope. You guys can't see, can you? Alright, let's check out the inside. So the center console, again, it does have that oh shit bar like the Vet. I don't know who had it first, Jaguar or Chevy. Carbon fiber, like dry carbon fiber on the dash. Center console. Not too crazy, not too different on the inside. What do you guys think? Got a new arrival, got the Beetle. Well, that's really not a Beetle. Guys, I don't even know where to start on this one. We have cars up and down. Amateur Works. Up and down. Alright, let's see some ass ends of NSX. Loving the old schools back here. Ooh. Gotta appreciate them. Alright, at the end of the road, we got the Mozzie. Got the Mercedes. And you already know we got the coupe. I don't know if I'm being retarded, but the Audi dealership definitely came out in clutch. You will see what I mean. Okay, you see more R8s, huh? Hey, Huracan is nothing but a more expensive R8.
Oh, hell
Don't kill me in the comments. I had to go ahead and send this out to Justin, guys, because if you remember Justin, my friend with the silver Z06, same package, but these rims are black, alright? And Justin's been thinking about going black for a while, so what do you guys think on the black itself? Oh, then he has the rear blacked out also. Yeah, I'd go with this. I like it. Oh, got the Ferrari. This looks super comfortable. I feel like this is what my parents drive around with back in the days. Oh. That's crazy. No airbag. I don't know how people did it back then. Alright guys, the blue on the CTSV, come on. I don't know if the video is doing it justice. Carbon fiber on the mirror. Can you see? Oh. What else? What else we got? Just look at it. Gotta pop in on the baby one more time. I've seen this Mustang at a couple shows before. Clean setup. Clean setup. Got the Boss 302. Okay. Definitely Pro Charge. Alright, smart way to go. Got some carbon fiber inserts on here. With the fuse box top. Cleaned it up a lot with the inserts. I know those inserts are like hundreds of dollars a piece, even this one. Like they tried to get me for, I know, for my Camaro, so I can only understand, you know, Ford or Ford companies doing the same thing. A little bit about the car. Guys, I am secretly in love with this audio, the RS7. This is something I want. The staggered rims, maybe not the color, but the car itself carries everybody. Got power with a nice tune. Never really got to see the back of the Porsche before, like engine bay wise. Yeah, I love it. And look, let's check out this one. I think I'm getting ready to head out of here. Alright guys, so we have seen enough of the cars. Now what we're gonna do is get some pictures, alright? Let's get some pictures of some nice rides. Those will be up next. Stay tuned.